Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the WordPress logo in the browser tab. This is a really simple process, but it's an important one because it's a great way to add your own branding to your website. The first thing you need to do is go to the WordPress customizer. To do this, log into your WordPress dashboard and click on the Appearance tab. Then click on the Customize link. Once you're in the WordPress customizer, click on the Site Identity tab. This is where you can manage your website's logo, title, and description. In the Site Icon section, click on the Select Site Icon button. This will open a file browser where you can select the new logo image that you want to use. Click on the Publish button to save your changes. Your new logo will now be displayed in the Browser tab next to your website's name. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned how to change the WordPress logo in Browser tab. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching.